Here is another mandala activity that kids and kids at heart will love. Freehand mandala drawing in a mag. Keep on watching. This is Pinoy Mandala. For this activity, we only need ceramic mag and a permanent marker. You will just need to mark the center of your mandala in the mag. And from there, you start putting the beads or the leaves. Your creativity is the limit here. Just do it slow and feel the rhythm of your work. You don't need to rush. What you want to do is to create exciting patterns. To avoid touching your drawing, you can turn around the mag depending on the comfort of your grip. There you go. Here is my output for this fun activity. It is so easy that my 8-year-old daughter immediately grabbed another mag and head on to do the project. Yes, this is a good idea as if to your friends or classmates or even to your parents. Everybody will surely love to display it or use it as a pen holder. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more ideas and inspiration for your next mandala project.